Hello. How can I help?
Hi, I want a return.
What item are you returning?
A blender. It doesn't work.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here is the receipt.
When did you buy it?
I bought it last week.
What's wrong with the blender?
It doesn't turn on anymore.
Did you try another outlet?
Yes, but still no power.
That sounds like a defect.
Yes, I think so too.
Did you keep the box?
Yes, I have the box.
Are all parts inside it?
Yes, everything is inside here.
Let me check the condition.
Sure, please check it carefully.
The blender looks brand new.
I only used it once.
I see. That's very unfortunate.
Yes, I was really disappointed.
I understand. Do you want exchange?
No, I want a refund.
Refunds take a few days.
That's fine. I can wait.
Do you prefer cash or card?
I paid with my card.
The refund will go there.
Okay, that works for me.
Let me process the refund.
Thank you for your help.
No problem. Just one moment.
Sure, I'll wait right here.
I need your card, please.
Here's my card. Take it.
Thank you. Processing the refund now.
Great. I appreciate your help.
The refund request is approved.
That was quick. Thank you.
You will receive it in days.
How many days will it take?
Usually 3 to 5 days.
That's fine. I can wait.
Keep this receipt for reference.
Okay. I will keep it.
Do you need anything else?
No, that's all for now.
All right. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for your assistance.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye, for now.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Wait, I have a question.
Sure. What do you need?
What's a good blender recommendation?
Do you want a stronger one?
Yes, something powerful and durable.
I suggest this new model.
What's special about that blender?
It has strong motor and warranty.
How long is the warranty?
It lasts for 2 years.
That sounds really good. Thanks.
Do you want to buy it?
Not now. Maybe next time.
No problem. Let me know.
I will think about it.
Take your time. No rush.
Thank you for the advice.
You're welcome. Happy to help.
I appreciate your great service.
That means a lot. Thanks.
I'll recommend this store too.
We'd love that. Thank you.
I should get going now.
Have a wonderful rest today.
You too. See you again.
See you? Take care, Sarah.
You remember my name. Impressive.
I try to remember customers.
That's really nice of you.
Thank you. We appreciate loyalty.
I will definitely come back.
That's great. We'll be here.
I might buy that blender.
Whenever you're ready, just visit.
Thanks. Have a great day.
You too? Enjoy your day.
Goodbye, for now. See you.
Goodbye. Looking forward next time.
This store has great service.
We do our best, always.
That's why customers keep coming.
I hope you visit again.
I will. You are awesome.
That's kind. Thank you, Sarah.
No problem. See you soon. I'm back to buy something.
Welcome back. What do you need?
I want that strong blender.
Great choice. It's very durable.
I hope it works well.
It's our best-selling blender now.
That sounds really good. Thanks.
Would you like a demonstration?
Yes, that would be helpful.
Let me plug it in.
Okay, I'm watching. Show me.
Look! It blends very smoothly.
Wow. That looks really powerful.
Yes. It crushes ice easily.
That's exactly what I need.
Do you want to buy?
Yes, I will take one.
Wonderful. Let me get one.
Thank you. I'm so excited.
Here's your new blender box.
Can I check inside first?
Of course. Go right ahead.
Everything looks perfect. Thank you.
Great. Let's ring it up.
How much is it again?
It's $79.99 before tax.
That's reasonable for this quality.
Yes, it's a good investment.
Do you have any discounts?
Yes. You get 10% off.
That's great. How much now?
It's now $71.99 before tax.
Awesome. I'll pay with card.
Please insert your card here.
Okay, I'm inserting it now.
Perfect. Processing your payment now.
I can't wait to use it.
You'll love how powerful it is.
I believe so. I'm excited.
Your payment went through successfully.
Great. Can I get a bag?
Sure. Here's a shopping bag.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
No problem. Here's your receipt.
Thanks. What's the return policy?
You have 30 days return.
Good. But I hope not.
I hope it works perfectly.
Yes, I trust this product.
Let me know if issues.
I will. Thanks for everything.
You're very welcome. Enjoy blending.
I sure will. Thanks again.
Have a great rest today.
You too. See you later.
See you? Take care, Sarah.
You still remember my name.
Of course. You're a great customer.
That makes me feel special.
You are? We appreciate you.
I'll definitely come back soon.
That's wonderful. We'll be here.
I might buy more appliances.
We have many great options.
I will check next time.
Sounds good. Take your time.
Thank you for everything today.
You're very welcome. Anytime, Sarah.
Okay, I'll head home now.
Have a safe trip home.
Thanks. Bye. For now.
Goodbye. See you again soon.
I'll tell friends about here.
We'd love that. Thank you.
You guys are really nice.
We try our best always.
That's why I come back.
Loyal customers mean a lot.
And good service keeps customers happy.
Exactly. That's our goal here.
Well, you are doing great.
That makes my day, thanks.
I'll go home and blend.
Enjoy. Let us know later.
Sure. I'll leave a review.
That would help us a lot.
I'll write an honest one.
We appreciate all feedback here.
I only share true experiences.
That's the best kind. Thanks.
Okay, see you next time.
See you. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye, for now.
Goodbye. Enjoy your new blender.
I definitely will. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Have fun blending.
I'll try new smoothie recipes.
That sounds delicious. Enjoy them.
I will. Take care now.
Take care. See you soon.